Today we talk about how can you find your SIM hidden on your Webull app. We go to figure out the solution on know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, you click here on menu down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on SIM holding, just click on it. When you just click here on SIM holdings here, and here can you show for your market value. I have nothing, but if you have, you will find it in this list. You just click here on this sign here. So then here can you select your currency here in this list on your Webull app. Then it's going to show for you in this list here. So that's it's lock your wallet here. So like you see, if you have anything, you will find it in this list. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.